You are now tuning in to CNN serving the Boston metropolitan area. I am Lester Holt, and the weather forecast for today is sunny. Perfect day to go to the beach or something if you want to. And now for the top story. 16 people were killed yesterday in a riot involving skeletons with bows and arrows. If you see the skeletons, call 911 from a safe distance. Make sure they do not murder you. That's all I have for now. Stay tuned for more information. This is Lester Holt, signing off. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Boston Police Department. All residents of Boston and surrounding areas, get to your homes immediately. The 5 skeletons that were killing people yesterday and came up to a total of 16 deaths, they are back again. It is confirmed that they are from the video game Minecraft. Minecraft is a video game made by Microsoft, and they are now real. The skeletons have allies, zombies, and Herobrine that striked Salt Lake City 1 year ago. This is CNN serving the Boston metropolitan area. I am Lester Holt, and this is the afternoon news. The weather forecast for tomorrow is going to be about 75 degrees. And now for the top story. The emergency alert system was activated today at around 10 a.m. Now for the top story. Number 2. There was another riot with Herobrine that struck Salt Lake City a year ago. Is now striking again, going to Boston. He previously was in Pittsburgh, and now he is striking with the skeletons. That's all I have for now. Stay tuned for more information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Boston Police Department. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. There are more skeletons in the city of Boston than other surrounding areas. A shelter-in-place warning has been issued for the whole entire city of Boston. Boston and surrounding areas. This is WFBO serving the city of Boston. I am Daniel Jones, and this is the afternoon news. The weather forecast for tomorrow is going to be about 75 degrees Fahrenheit. And now for the top story. The emergency alert system was activated twice in a day because of the number of skeletons expanding. Please, if you see one of the skeletons, call 911 from a safe distance. That is all we have for now. Stay tuned for more information or an activation of the emergency alert system.
Y el estar al lado. Y dice, bueno, estás riquísima, bueno, yo soy así también. Yo soy así, si yo como, no como. Pero tú sabes, cuando yo empezaba con jóvenes, pero yo cuando estaba en Cuba, yo tenía la más costumbre esa. En Cuba yo podía comer y comiendo, yo mismo estaba tomando ron que tomaba cerveza. No tenía problema, no daba igual. Aquí más nunca en mi casa cuando yo tengo invitado.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Boston Police Department. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test.
Porque la persona que no pueda comerse la
The
comida
skeletons have
que
sent
le
a
sirvan a la mesa.
link between Boston.
A mí,
The following message is transmitted also at the request of the United States government. This is not a test.
Y este perro
Sent to Boston
pero,
by the skeletons. Take shelter now. After the blast, there will be a shockwave and nuclear fallout. Nuclear fallout is a byproduct of nuclear attacks, which making contact with it may lead to nausea or death. The shockwave can blow away anything in its path. That's how a nuclear attack can destroy things. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. A nuclear missile
A ver, preguntar. Tú lo logras preguntar a otro tipo de persona, para mi tía.
city of Boston.
No, pero entonces
Take shelter now. After the blast, there will be a nuclear fallout and shockwave. Nuclear fallout is a byproduct of nuclear attacks.
La muchacha, la mamá del niño es...
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Massachusetts Emergency Management Agency. A radioactive materials warning has been issued. A nuclear missile has been detonated in the city of Boston. And there is radioactive material spreading to the states. Massachusetts, Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont. If you're in one of these states, please stay in your homes and do not come out. Making contact with it will eventually lead to your death. If you do luckily survive, you will have a very bad nausea and radiation sickness. If you want more information on this incidents like this, please visit lema.e/Massachusetts.
This is an NBC News special report. Here's Lester Holt.
This is WFBO serving the city of Boston. I am Paul Dickinson, substituting for Daniel Jones. The weather forecast for the week is going to be about 80 degrees. And now for the top story. Another riot has started. Hero Prime, which struck Salt Lake City 1 year ago, is now on the move. Move again with the skeletons, the white pumpkin, and Adrian and Miss Hero Prime. That's all we have for now. Please stay tuned for an activation of the emergency alert system. End of part 1. Part 2 coming soon.